we are going to make a fire with flint and steel in a fire bundle. So first you grab this, then you grab this and open it.
Vaseline.
And dip this in the Vaseline.
Like cheese.
Yeah. That got a lot.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. Definitely good. Now close the Vaseline and put this right here. And then you get this. Then you get this. And put it on, and put it on top.
Okay, good.
Just to let you guys know, if
Now-
you want to have like a bigger, better fire, you should put like some cardboard in there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my sister is going now.
Scoot up closer, Kelly. Nope, no. Good job.
It's almost red.
Look, Kelly. Sienna, you can both now survive.
Yeah. And Daddy, when it turns red, I'm going to blow on it with the blowing pump.